You can begin increasing the flow of money into your life today. Money is always moving, yet many people unknowingly block it from arriving or feel tension when it leaves. When you change how you receive and release money, you allow that flow to return with more ease and consistency. Let these words become your new pattern. I allow myself to feel calm about money. I allow myself to trust in my ability to handle what comes. I do not need to carry fear or tension about finances right now. I release the need to control everything. I release the habit of overthinking every bill, every expense, every opportunity. I release the pressure to know all the answers immediately. I am capable of managing money with clarity and calm. I am capable of making wise choices without fear. I am capable of creating ease around financial flow. I am not my money worries. I am the observer of my financial thoughts. I am the one who can choose how to respond to each thought about money. I notice my thoughts about money without becoming them. I let them rise and pass without holding on. I create space between myself and any financial pressure. Money is energy flowing in and out of life. It moves like a river, sometimes flowing in, sometimes flowing out, always part of a natural and continuous cycle. When this is understood, there is no need to resist or fear the flow. It becomes possible to respond consciously and allow gratitude to replace tension. Take a deep cleansing breath and let your money mindset flow. I soften tension around money. I allow my thoughts to settle. I allow my body to relax as I think about my finances. I am not in danger. I am not failing. I am moving steadily with the flow of money in my life. I release fear about bills I must pay. I release worry about opportunities I may miss. I release tension about what I cannot control. I focus on what I can do step by step. I focus on actions that create ease and stability. I focus on the flow of energy and the opportunities before me. I am allowed to make mistakes. I am allowed to learn. I am allowed to grow in my financial understanding and ability. I trust in my ability to navigate money with calm and confidence. I trust that my choices create opportunities. I trust that abundance is possible in my life. I bring my attention to the present moment. I let go of imagined scarcity. I allow the flow of money to move freely without fear. I am grounded. I am steady. I am balanced. I allow my mind to slow down. I allow clarity to arise. I allow insight and calm to fill my thoughts. I do not need to rush or panic about finances. I am already capable. I can move forward with awareness and ease. I release the pressure to have everything perfectly figured out. I release fear of lack. I release the belief that money is a threat. I create space for abundance in my mind and life. I create calm around financial decisions. I create confidence in my ability to manage my resources. I notice which thoughts deserve attention. I notice which feelings are signals I can respond to. I notice which fears are old patterns I can let go of. I am in control of my responses to money. I am in control of my focus, my choices, my energy. I am in control of the flow I create around my finances. I see money flowing in and out naturally. I choose to remain calm within that flow. I choose to remain steady within that flow. I choose clarity over panic. I choose calm over stress. I choose abundance over fear. I am not trapped in scarcity thinking. I am free to act consciously. I am free to create stability and opportunity. I trust that every transaction teaches me something valuable. I trust that every exchange is part of the natural flow. I trust that I can navigate financial life with wisdom and ease. I return to my breath. I return to my body. I return to my sense of calm and stability. I am capable. I am confident. I am calm. I carry awareness with me. I carry steadiness with me. I carry clarity with me. I am aligned with the flow of money. I am aware, present, and capable. I am steady, grounded, and at peace with financial energy. I am calm. I am steady. I am ready for what comes next. I begin a new relationship with money. A relationship built on awareness, respect, and gratitude. Every time money comes into my life, I notice it. And I say, thank you. Thank you for arriving. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for flowing into my life. I allow myself to feel appreciation when I receive money. I allow myself to welcome it without tension or doubt. And every time money leaves my life, I notice it. And I say thank you. Thank you for serving me. Thank you for supporting my life. Thank you for what it provides and enables. I no longer see money leaving as loss. I see it as part of the natural flow. Money comes. Money goes. And I remain steady within that flow. Each time I say thank you, I interrupt fear. Each time I say thank you, I create calm. Each time I say thank you, I build trust with money. This becomes natural for me. This becomes automatic for me. This becomes who I am. I notice money. I appreciate money. I respect the flow of money in my life. Thank you when it comes. Thank you when it goes. Thank you for always moving through my life. I am calm with money. I am aware with money. I am at peace with money. Money flows where awareness and gratitude replace fear, and the way you respond to it shapes the experience you create. Remember to like and subscribe to continue building a calmer, more empowered relationship with your life.